Hi everyone, it's Wendy at the museum. I hear this all the time. I don't really do the internet, but I want to do Colorado Gives Day, or I want to do end of year giving. And yes, you can totally just send us a check. That is totally fine. Or in any of our emails or Facebooks, you'll see the address here, coloradogives.org/. It has organization/DMMDT, but even if you just do DMMDT, it will take you right to our page. And Colorado Gives is secure, and they have a great credit card processing fee rate compared to our normal even. And you can donate by clicking here. And we've got some ideas, but you can also enter your own. We got big asks, we got little asks. Every dollar helps. And so you can choose that. And the public doesn't have to know you're donating. You can add a dedication. So if it's dedicated to, or on behalf of, or in memory of, there's some things there. Sometimes people want to donate in memory of a miniaturist or a doll collector that's passed, or to acknowledge the hard work that a volunteer has done. And then we've got lots of different things you can specify what that we're working on. And you can also just like add this to your, oops, I don't need that one. See? Even I'm not getting 100% right. So don't worry if you make a few mistakes. You can also like add it to your cart, which means that then if you wanted to donate to a food bank, you don't even have to know the exact food bank. You can type it in, and these are all organizations that are food banks accepting things right now, or you can go with a specific one, like a theater group. Here we go. And then you can donate to them, and you can add money and add it to your cart. And then it's just like online shopping, really. So you'll go here, click on your, whoops, gotta update your cart and see, oh, look, so you've given money to the museum and the theater, and then you continue to check out first name, last name, email, and your credit card type and info, or number, month, year. The CVC is the codes on the back. This is really secure way of donating. They don't keep any of this information, and you can hear what this part means here is if this is how much it costs to process this donation. So if you donate this amount, which is almost $6 more than your original donation, that covers all the processing fees. But you can choose not to, and there you go. And then if you've entered all your credit cards, you just hit pay. So I hope that helped and made it a little less intimidating. We really appreciate everyone and all the generosity, and we have big plans for 2023. Hopefully we can get this lift in and the second floor activated, and more programs and exhibits and everything. So thank you so much to everyone who helped, and everyone who told a friend, and everyone who donates $1. Happy Colorado Gives Day.